Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. Speed Queen making loud knock from below, but can't tell where from, and unit is walking across the floor significantly when empty. Belt feels tight and can't find anything loose when I inspected the other components in the motor area. Any common issues that other techs are familiar with on this machine before I start taking this apart? Thanks. I'll be doing many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad, subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good one.